only girl who's standing out in the game right now, Shoma Jozi. So Shoma Jozi is killing it right now. She's a brand manager's dream. It's a brand manager's dream. Loko ri na Shoma Jozi in your team, you are winning. Beka xikandza xa yena laha gang ya babamela. Click, 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 tick, tick, all the boxes. You trend. It's the social media era. You need someone like Shoma Jozi. Shoma Jozi is so domain, domisha xibelani ka the urban market, gang ipfuka pfukeni se na vana mbala xibelani vona swihlangu za kona. It's cute. However, swi la hi nga babameli. Shoma Jozi ain't saying shit. Shoma Jozi is a ghostwriter. Shoma Jozi fanele a tshika ku pfuna Xitsonga. Leswi a swi endla ku Shoma Jozi a hi swona. Music wa Shoma Jozi, her lyrics say fuck all. And the thing, yiva problem hikuva we've seen her impact. Children dress like her. Children want xibelani because of her. What do you think is going to happen to the image? How is her existence going to impact the children on a language perspective, on a language basis? Because she has them visually, the look. But they're because of her. When they butcher the language because she does it and she's the coolest person they know. We sound like some robots or we're speaking some weird, forced, ancient language when we speak the way we speak. Kambe Majozi ukota ku afika la peta rimo for whatever purpose eba anyamala. Ngaribali phela ku at this current moment uda iXitsonga. She's using ririmi ra Xitsonga as a tool for her music. Loko unga hloniphi leswi tirhaka xona swi vuriwa hi sweswo a hi vusofa byebyo hi vusofa phela. Ririmi ra xiximiwa. Ririmi ra xiximiwa swi na nkoka because why? You are impactful, you are influential. Vanhu do see what you do and replicate it. If no matter how dumbed down or fluff our music has been, our music has always been logical. Wabalabula, una nhloko na ncila. It's not random things. Ambi Ben is starting to do this. Renga se belela swibalabulu sweswi ambi mali. Okay, mali yasi ya balabula mali. Renga se belela xa nhloko na ncila ambi leswi swa Christmas book is that nonsense. It's just random words put together to make it sound like a song. No matter how fluff, you name it, all, every era, where we're experiencing empty fluff. And Shoma Jozi na ubeni, hibo banu on record bangasungula this. And in Malabla at the big artists, not the random artists have no impact. So whatever they do dies out. Ashtudo Shabanale Mkukuni Abon. Majozi has so much of an impact that she cannot butcher our language. No. Sweswo ngaka ngafumeli. Reason being, loko unga shishini rim auti shishini. It works like that. Unga wateranza wena ukuyala. You are proud than Mtsonga but you don't respect your language. Ririmi ra xiximiwa. Look at all nations that are powerful. They respect their language. Ririmi is like the code that has everything. You really don't need a crash course on the people. All you need to know is their language and you'll understand who they are. Ririmi ironga koma hinkwaswo. It's in the way, it's in the vocab that you find everything. Even when you look at music, it's like another example, Shinyori. Through Shinyori, we are able to track his change in the accent or the dialect. We can be able to track it, and through music we are able to listen to how people use the words, how different words meant different things in different eras. Shinyori's catalog has that. To get this emotion. So Shoma Jozi makes no sense. Vila Ranjikela Shilumba Shandumbeta. I know. But thing, Majozi is a ghostwriter. Alan is like Shizomsana, and soon was Bulalish. Shizomsana might not have the flow which Majozi has. If those two people came together, it will boom. Shizomsana can write in all that. She makes sense. Majozi is saying a bunch of random words that rhyme. She's not saying fuck all, and it's enough now. Something has to change. We can't continue this because you are too influential to be fucking around. It says Majozi. You can't just be fucking around with the language. You have to respect the language. What else unga rape? It's stronger because you can't when you're messing up the language. You need to say something. I'm basing that in a mongo, but you insela every in the similar wapengana. That whole hook wapengana vata komeza mapolisa yini na walomba kumbe asubala. That whole hook it says it doesn't albulchum. It's just random words that sound dope. Maporisa, I'm a komsan. Komisa, I'm a porcine. There's so many things in your music that just makes me go. Whew. You are not being the conscious you, but you are smart enough, Majozi. That's the beauty of it. You come from the conscious world. You are a poet. You know the impact of words. So, and think it doesn't have an impact. You are the star. You are up there. You are messing up the language.